Ba't tara, panoorin natin yung bago sa Netflix ngayon. Maganda daw yun.
Ano yun?
Nakakatakot.
Talaga?
Hmm.
Sige nga, play mo nga. Gusto mo yung TV?
Yan na.
Yun na.
Ka lang.
Mukhang nakakatakot nga.
Nakatakot talaga yan.
Sige nga, panoorin natin.
Work for you? Oh, I know you saved you a lot of time. Seattle work for anyone.
You can't walk away from this, Don. We're gonna have this conversation one way or the other. Think about fate. It's cunning. It can bring you beautiful things and it can also bring you moments like this.
What for me?
You're gonna betray your brothers, abandon your code, and shatter your family. See, your team. It's about
Teka nga.
Bakit?
Hindi ko na maintindihan yung palabas.
Bakit?
Pass forward ka ng pass forward.
Eh, gusto ko na kasi maano yung climax eh. Gusto ko na makita kung sino yung nananakot dyan.
Ha? Nanood ka pa kung ganun lang yung gagawin mo. Ha? And, ako hahawak nito ha. Para maintindihan natin.
Ano ba yan?
Pass forward ka ng pass forward.